In the quiet corners of our homes, cats dwell like miniature predators, stealthy, mysterious, and ancient in their ways. But when your cat starts throwing up, it stirs concern. What's happening beneath the surface? Let's follow nature's clues. 1. Hairballs. The most common culprit. As cats groom, their rough tongues pull in loose fur. In the wild, it might pass unnoticed. But at home, it builds up. When enough gathers, they purge it, an ancient reflex to keep the predator sharp and unburdened. Occasional hairballs? Normal. Frequent? That's a signal. 2. Eating too fast. Have you ever watched a lion devour its prey? It's a frenzy. Domestic cats still carry that instinct, especially if food feels scarce. Eating too quickly can lead to regurgitation. Consider a slow feeder bowl to mimic nature's pace. 3. Dietary sensitivities. In the wild, cats eat what they're meant to. But in our homes, the food we offer can sometimes conflict with their primal biology. Artificial additives, fillers, or new proteins can upset the stomach. Throwing up might be your cat's way of saying, "This doesn't belong in me." 4. Grass consumption. Why do cats eat grass only to vomit it up? Some say it helps clear out hair or parasites. Others believe it mimics wild foraging. It's rarely harmful, but if it's frequent, it could point to an underlying gastrointestinal need. 5. Parasites or illness. In nature, the weak are weeded out, but our role as caretakers is different. Repeated vomiting, lethargy, or loss of appetite could mean something more serious: worms, infections, or even organ trouble. When the body rebels repeatedly, it's time for a vet visit. 6. Stress. Even in the savannah, lions retreat when threatened. Cats are sensitive, territorial beings. A new pet, move, or loud noises can cause anxiety. And stress, believe it or not, can show up in the stomach, yes, even as vomiting. So, why is your cat throwing up? Sometimes it's natural. Sometimes it's nature's alarm bell. Either way, never ignore the whisper. Our feline companions may not speak in words, but their bodies do. And like the wild animals, they still are deep down, they're always communicating. If this journey into feline instincts helped you, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with others who care for cats as deeply as you do. Leave a comment below. Have you had a surprising cat moment lately? And don't forget to check the video description for expert tips on pet care and more incredible wild facts that bring the animal world closer to your heart. Because animals aren't just companions. They are ancient teachers, still guiding us if we choose to listen.